Hello and welcome to Lessons with LeFever. Today our objective is I can convert metric units of length. Metric units of length are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. For example, if I have 3 meters, that will be equivalent to 300 centimeters. In order to convert metric units of length, we have to perform an operation of either multiplication or division. But how do I know when to multiply or when to divide? Great question. Whenever you're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply. For example, if I have 26 centimeters and I want to convert those centimeters into millimeters, I will need to perform multiplication. But first, I need to know that 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. So I would do 26 times 10, which would give me 260. So 26 centimeters is equivalent to 260 millimeters. Whenever I'm going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, I have to divide. That means I have to break that larger unit up into smaller pieces. For example, if I have 3,000 meters and I want to know how many kilometers that would be, I would first need to know that 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So 3,000 divided by 1,000 will be equivalent to 3 kilometers. Converting metric units of length. Here we have our metric units of length, and we can see what each one is equivalent to. I know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. And 1 meter is also equivalent to 1,000 millimeters. And 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. Here we are working with the powers of 10, so it's taking us back to place value. Now let's begin. But first I want you to keep in mind, when you're going from a large unit to a small unit, you multiply. And when you're going from a small unit to a large unit, you divide. Number 1, 5 meters is equivalent to how many centimeters? Since I'm going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, I'm going to multiply 5 times 100 since there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And 5 times 100, easy peasy lemon squeezy, that will give me 500. So 5 meters is equivalent to 500 centimeters. Now let's keep going. Number 2 says 8 meters is equal to how many centimeters? This is the same as the problem before. We know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And since we're going from a large unit to a small unit, we're going to multiply. So 8 times 100 gives us 800. Number 3, 7 kilometers equals how many meters? First, we need to know how many meters are in 1 kilometer. I know that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. And a kilometer is a larger unit, and I'm going to a meter, which is a smaller unit. That means, again, I'm going to multiply. So 7 times 1,000 gives me 7,000. So 7 kilometers is equivalent to 7,000 meters. Number 4, if I have 300 centimeters, how many meters would that be equivalent to? First, I need to know how many meters are in 1 centimeter, or vice versa. What I do know is that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So I also need to think, am I going from a larger unit to a smaller unit or from a smaller unit to a larger unit? Centimeters are smaller than meters. So here we have to divide. 300 divided by 100 gives us 3. Number 5, 40 millimeters equals how many centimeters? Again, we're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit. Millimeters are smaller than centimeters. So I have to figure out how many millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. Up here it tells me that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So I have to divide 40 by 10, and that will give me 4. Lastly, let's look at number 6. If I have 9,000 millimeters, how many meters would that be? Millimeters are smaller than meters. So first I would need to know how many millimeters make up 1 meter. In our reference, it tells us that 1 meter is equivalent to 1,000 millimeters. So again, since I'm going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, I have to divide. 9,000 divided by 1,000 gives me 9. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them down below, or you can email me at tlefever@ps48x.org. Thanks for watching Lessons with LeFever.